Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel. So for today's vlog, pupuntahan namin ang grand opening ng panibagong community dito sa Airdrie, Alberta. So ang Airdrie, Alberta again is 15 minutes siya sa north ng Calgary. So ang pangalan ng community na to is Ski Ranch. So pag grand opening, meron siyang mga pa-food truck, ganyan. Tapos meron pa yatang petting zoo for kids, entertainment. Tapos, meron mga show homes na pwede natin pasukin. Kaya gusto namin pumunta dito kasi dahil dun sa mga show homes. Kasi gusto namin malaman kung magkano ba yung mga presyo ulit dito ng mga bahay dito sa Airdrie, Alberta. New homes, new build. So, let's see. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga ino-offer nilang mga bahay dito. So, ayan. Papunta na kami doon. This is yung way papunta doon. Kung makita nyo, parang hindi siya nasa center ng Airdrie. So, yan o. Medyo quiet yung community na to. Ayan. Ski Ranch Family Fun Event. Ayan. Pabalun sila. Ski Ranch. Ski Ranch. Ayan, dito na ka saan? Dito na. Dami nang nakapark. Ang dami ng tao. Pwede na maga tayo. So, ano? Ayan, meron dito mga food trucks. Wonton Ninja, ano pa yun? Parang taco siguro yun, Mexican. Doon muna tayo sa dulo. Let's go to the first one here. Ski Ranch by Sterling.
They have some nice furniture that I've never seen before.
Nakakuha ka itong candy. It's at the front. So, dito kami. Ski Ranch by Sterling. Ito yung mudroom nila.
I like the office here.
Yeah.
This area.
Ang ganda. Ayan yung pantry. Ang ganda ng counter, no? Maganda nga to. Itim. Ang ganda niya. Wow. Ang ganda. I like this.
Oh, wow.
Parang yung bahay natin na ganyan. Parang nga, bahay. Di ba? Parang bahay namin. Maybe it looks like our house. Except for the...
Tapos ito, balcon.
Yeah. Looks like our house, babes. It looks like our house. And look at the stairs too.
Ate, tingnan mo, ate.
Yeah. Parang bahay namin.
Ate, tingnan mo yung view mo.
Yeah, ang ganda ng view.
Wow! Nakikita, oh.
Tapos oo nga, no. Tapos katabi niya yung merong playground right there.
Oh, yeah. Hanggang pangarap na ako nito.
Yan, ang ganda niya. Oh, kita mo nga buong Airdrie.
Hindi ko to afford.
Yeah.
Sa mahal pa naman. Taas pa naman.
Yan.
Is it worth? I gotta go.
Very nice.
Wow.
Ang ganda.
I like sometimes I see nice furniture.
Okay, I'm gonna go upstairs.
I don't see this in the store. There's some nice furniture yesterday.
Pareho nung ano namin. Iba lang yung ito.
Look at the old profiles, that's awesome. Quebec maple.
Sige.
Maple. Let's see how much it is.
Ayan. Ang ganda. Ang ganda to ah. Magkano kaya to? Ito, ang ganda rin ng washroom. Sliding door. Ayan o. Toilet. Ayan. Ito yung view nila sa master's bedroom. Ang ganda ng view.
Wow, look at this. I like this.
Ayan. Ito yung family room. Ito yung second bedroom. Oh, third bedroom. 4 yung bedroom nila dito. Ang ganda to ah. Tapos yung washroom. Ang ganda ng washroom. Ito yung laundry. Fourth bedroom. Tapos ito yung ano mo, yung sa, ano ba to? Ay, ito yung harap ng bahay. Ito yung walk-in closet. Ganda. This is nice. No? Maganda siya.
So it's 1 bedroom, 2
Magkano
bedroom.
kaya to, no?
Oh my gosh, it's 4 bedrooms?
Yeah, 4 bedrooms.
Wow, 4 bedrooms.
Ayan. May paano sila giveaway. Ayan.
Yep. Let's try the hood.
Dito tayo sa basement.
Like similar layout to ours,
I know, it's like ours. Oh, really?
but the basement's bigger.
Oh, it's finished.
Oh, it's not finished.
Basement's
Oh,
huge.
the floor is like...
Oo nga, no. Parang parehong ano sa atin. Oo nga. Hindi, malaki
This could be
to.
a 2 bedroom.
Yeah, malaki to, babes. 2 bedroom.
Wala, parang sa bahay niyo, kuya.
Parang bahay namin eh.
Yeah, but this here is
It's
huge.
weird. I have a weird feeling about this. So this is like our house. Even the color of the
Yeah.
basement. Look,
It's like sa bahay niyo.
yung paint nung
Just
floor.
missing a pool table right here.
Oo nga, tingnan mo. Babes, pati yung window. Hindi, mas mababa yung window nila. May window kami dito. It's weird. Yan. Okay, let's go to the second one.
Like this house, mom.
You have to ask a question about the place.
Ikaw magtanong. Kasi Inglesero ka eh, pag ako hindi masyado. So they have giveaways. Oh, yan yung ano nila.
Layouts? Oh, grab one.
So yan, this house is 760 starting, and the show home itself is 850. Wow, it's really nice. 4 bedrooms. Tapos ang ganda ng view. So daw muna nilang kumain. Para walang pila. After 1 show homes, kain kagad.
Meron kayong bag?
Wala tayong bag. Dapat may bag tayo. Dun sa ano may pinapamigay na bag eh. Hindi, dun sa pinuntahan namin kahapon may bag sila. Oh yeah, okay. Okay, I'm gonna go there.
It's nice.
Bedrock Homes.
And you can get them for free.
Here's the Pia. Ito yung, ang laki yung ano.
235?
Ito yung it's massive. Yan. Oh, look, high ceiling.
You can get everything from the roof as well.
Yan sila, yan ang view. Ayan. Ang ganda. Oo. Ang ganda siya.
This is reminds me of ours a little bit.
Let's see the... Dito yung pantry. Let's go to the second floor, babes. it's not finished basement. So, hindi na tayo pupunta dyan. Dito tayo sa second floor. Makikita mo, ayan o, high ceiling siya. Ayun sila, Richard. Ang ganda. Wow. Malaki tong bahay na to. Ayan. Ang washroom. Ito yung first bedroom. Ito yung second. There.
This is the egg cup.
Oh wow, ito yung masters. Dali nga, ang ganda. Ito pala yung pagpasok masters na kagad. Ito, from the hagdan. Sige, ito. So from the hagdan, ito pala yung masters bedroom. 2 doors. Ayan o. Ang laki nung ano. Wow, ang laki nung walk-in closet. I know, barn door. Yan.
Sige,
Ang ganda.
Open it. Open it.
Ang ganda. I like that. Ito yung ano, master's bedroom. Andito sila sa backyard yung ano nila. Sa likod sila. Ang laki. It's so nice. What? I know. Oh yeah, you can buy that anywhere.
It's nice.
Yeah. Ayan yung
Ooh, wow, barn door too here.
Di, barn door.
It's barn door.
Here's ours like that. Ah, yeah? Oo nga, no?
Barn door.
Ah, hindi ka tulad ng sa ating sliding door. Parang pareho din naman. Sliding door.
Yung washer nyo ganito din sa bahay?
Oo, may tab. Pero pag ganito, pahaba siya.
Pero may ganito din, di ba? Yung shower room.
Oo, hindi. Ano din, ganun din siya. Ayan. It's nice. It's big. Itong gusto ko yung dalawang door eh. Ayan. Ayan, masters. Ganda. Kano kaya to? I like the high ceiling. In love talaga ako pag sa high ceiling. So this house is starting at 800. So we don't know the price of the show home itself. So it's by Bedrock Homes. Yeah. So dito naman tayo. Next is the Cash Homes.